Hello, welcome back to Wisconsin Points of Interest. I'm in Jefferson County, Wisconsin at Rock County Park. This is a very nice park. It's only 4 acres. It's got a boat launch, picnic area right by the bridge here. It actually has a flowing spring with spring water where people can bring jugs. They come from miles and fill up on this natural spring water here. I didn't know this was here, so I didn't bring anything to take some water back, so I definitely would have. It's Saturday, January 28th, 2023. It's about 3 o'clock at p.m. and it's about 17 degrees. This park is, looks like it has a bathroom over there, pavilion area. So, just a real quick stop. I just wanted to show you this. This is really nice here, and just another place in Wisconsin that let's take a look at the signage over here, what they have posted. Restrooms are ADA accessible. It's got a flower spring, picnic tables, grills. You can make reservations. Little bulletin board. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Please like and share the videos I post. Check them all out. It's interesting places around Wisconsin, and I thank you all very much for watching my videos. Hope you enjoy them. More on the way. Thank you.